Uncle Shima.
Yo, how are you?
Why are you eating in the bedroom?
Am I your mate? Come on, shut up. No, what? Shut up, don't talk to me like that.
Yeah, it's a swallow. In the name of Ukauka with frog. And you know that you are just squatting with us. When you went to UK, I was thinking that after my primary school, I'll go and meet you there. But it seems like I'm the one that will even take you to the UK. Better try and leave my father's house before you sell it.
Come on, Dora, fuck all Sammy, yo. Fuck all Sammy, yo. Come on, Anna, Telunya, my Yahanga. What to hold on no more? One was soon got quala. I'm from a deal with Yahanga. No, with a squatter. Don't worry. With this, what?